Assalamu alaikum. I am showing how to connect SFTP server by WinHCP class library in C# console application. With file and folder moved to another location in SFTP server. SFTP server connection uses putty key for authentication. Let's start in programming. So open your Visual Studio and create new project for console application. I am using Visual Studio 22. Then create new project and search console application on here. See your any of template. So choose your framework. I am selecting .NET Core framework. So console app. Next, write your project name, and I am writing SFTP connection and file with folder modes. These are my project name and these are my location, and this is my project solution name. Project name and solution name are both same. So next, then choose your targeted framework. I am selecting .NET 7.0 default, and you can change your targeted framework, but I am working on 7.0. Then select and create, and sometime later your project is created. Our project is create and Solution Explorer, and go to your Solution Explorer and then see two things. One is dependencies, two is program.cs. These are the main program class. So firstly needed one class library, which is WinHCP class library. Then your project right button click and then manage movement package. Go to browse and search WinHCP. Then take WinHCP and install it. Then go to your main program plus program.cs, and write your code for connection. So SFTP connection, then write some credential. At first your host name, then need username for connection purpose needed, then your port, SFTP server default port 22, then needed SS private key path, that means putty key path. Then needed passphrase putty key path, your location where your putty key. Then I am using my credential, then you modified your credential. Okay, this field taken, create a new class, add new class, then FTP credentials, then declare public access modifier, then connect session option, write code for file move where session session then session dot open session option, then connection close, session dot close. Here is write file move code, string source path, source path, and string destination path, destination path. To my source path, test folder, then folder 1. These are my source path and destination path move files. Then are my destination path. Okay, write a function for write a function for file move. Here receive parameter session string destination path source path string destination path. Firstly get directory path and file name, get files, remote directory info session dot list directory in source path. Here write forest loop for directory info dot files, and here remote file info, then file, here check condition if file dot name is not dot and file dot name is not double dot, then create remote create path, here move files, so source path plus file name and the path destination path plus file name and session the file move file source path and destination path. Here the file move and all the file move method, here two parameters, source path and destination path. Okay, fine. Then we are checking working or not working. Okay, debug the code. Firstly, connection open. Yes, session option protocol is okay, fine. Fingerprint, so always true. Okay, then let's try again. Connection, connect or not? Connect. Okay, fine. Then check folder, then session, and where files for count, then we are running the code and okay, then this output folder is not matched, so we have to create valid path. Then we will try again. Okay, let's check. Then let's check what is the problem. Okay, now working. Then continue. Okay, let's say our FTP move file folder 1 move files, then file moves and folder 1 then move files, file moves. Okay, folder 1 to file and move files to files. So I am showing how to file move from SFTP server by WinFCP class library, and connection is putty file. So everyone, thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Love us.